To change the index style of your current Galaxy Watch Face from your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen. Find Wearable app and then tap it. Tap Watch Face. Next, tap Customize button below your current watch face. Tap Indexes. As note, this option will be available if you choose analog clock as your watch face. Now, select the desired index style you like to use. Tap Save to save the change. As you can see, now your Galaxy Watch Face is using the selected index style. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.